Hello students, my name is Toral Shah and I am going to take two subjects of the 11th standard, Accountancy and Statistics from Vidyut Board Vidyalaya. Today is the first day of your accounting subject, but let us take the basic knowledge about it. First of all, I welcome to all of you in the commerce stream of our school, and you are going to have 7 main subjects. Number 1 is accountancy, second one is statistics, third one is English, Gujarati, business organization and economics, as well as computer. These subjects you are going to study in detail. Now my lecture is based on what do you mean by accounting, because you are going to make your career on these main subjects. Here I have taken your first chapter of accounting is meaning of accounting and its terminology. So now I have give you certain pics. You must have seen that in that video before starting this lecture, and I would like to show you that this is your first page of your notebook. Have you observed this? When you will observe, certain things comes in your mind, and that is there is one laptop, there is calculator, certain accounts, there is a check, and the pics which I have sent you. They all talks about accounting. Now the question arises, what is account? Account means to record. What to record? To record the information which are there in the financial terms. So now let's see that what is accounting. It is a useful way. It's very helpful and useful way of recording, to record the financial, यानी नंबर में जो transactions होते हैं, rupees में जो होते हैं वो, and summarizing the financial transaction. Now the question is, what is financial? Financial means the transactions, the things which can be measured in terms of money. All those transactions which has the monetary value, it's called as transaction. For example, I have purchased some products from D-Mart worth rupees 2000. So that all the products, its value is 2000. So that I can say that that transaction is called as financial transaction. More in detail, I would like to share one example of your mother. Generally, what mother does? In the starting of any month, I am just taking the example, normal example, that when your father gives her salary for rupees 20,000 to run this 1 month for making the different payments. So now what your mother does? Out of that 20,000, she makes the payment. For example, to fruit seller, vegetable seller, milkman, newspapers, electricity bill, your data connection bill, your mobile bill, so many expenses she pays. At the end of the month, what she does? Here she becomes the accountant. How? What she does? She would analyze that out of 20,000, I have spent already 18,000. Right now I am having only 2,000 and still I have to pass 5 more days. So here her role is of an accountant, where she would try to curtail or reduce its expenses. So of course that way, me as a teacher, your friend, your friend's father, the vegetable seller, the chartered accountant, the doctor, all the professional bodies, I can say, they maintain anyhow in your diary, in your notebook, कुछ ना कुछ financial terms वो maintain transaction करते ही हैं, and that thing is called as accounting. Now let's see the next point. So can I say that whatever activity, economic activity goes around us, that is called as business, and whenever there is a business, what comes in your mind? And that is accounting. Now, am I sure that there is a accounting, and accounting is a method or a system to maintain the account? What is accounting? It's a process, it's a method to maintain the account on which you want to observe, you want to take the decision for your business. Another name of accounting is bookkeeping. What is that name? Is bookkeeping. Accounting is the common and latest word, and bookkeeping is the main word from which accounting has come. So now, this subject what you are going to study, that subject accounting is emerged. It has taken the birth. कहाँ से? From the requirement of the time. We need time. Time ने मांगा है account बनाओ, record कीजिए transactions. The requirement of money. What the account, in your account certain amount 5,000 is credited in Bank of India, 2,000 is credited in Bank of Baroda. What is this? Banking, that is also accounting. And the need of society. Cash payment, if you don't have, but you can issue the check. You don't have, you can get the check. These are what? This plastic money, ATM facility, all are which is going on around us in our economy, that is called as accounting. So here, account has taken the birth to help the economic activities. हमारी जो भी economic activities हैं, whether to buy the products, to sell the products, to give the services, to avail the services, in that accounting is required. So now let's see the definition which are given as per AICPA, American Institute of Public Accountant. Let's see that. It is an art. What is accounting? Accounting is an art. Art means what? Which requires special skills, which requires special experience, insight, your smartness, your cleverness, that is art. So accounting is art where we record. हम क्या रिकॉर्ड करते हैं? इकोनॉमिक फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन्स हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, टुडे आई हैव बॉट द गुड्स ऑफ ₹5,000 फ्रॉम श्रीजी प्रोविजन स्टोर, सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड. देन आफ्टर क्लासिफाइंग, नाउ to understand the definition, let's take the example of same Shriji Provision Store, and madam is the owner of Shriji's Provision Store, and today 10 transactions are done, that is on 23rd July. बहुत सारे transaction हुए हैं in Provision Store में, ठीक है? So I will record. What I do? I will record all my transactions. For first transaction of 10,000, second one is 2,000, third one is 500, and so on, like 10 transactions. So what madam will do? I will classify. मैं कैसे क्लासीफाई करूंगी? Big cash payment, how many customers has done cash payment, how many customer has make the payment through check, and so on, like that. And then after summarizing in a significant manner, then I will think that out of 10 transaction 8 are credit. ऐसे 8 कस्टमर है जिन्होंने पैसा दिया ही नहीं है. So credit basis पर लेके गए only 2 transactions which are of cash basis. So I have to think that what to do. And in terms of money, transactions and event, यानी वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, मनी का ट्रांजेक्शन हो सकता है, that is related to any event. मैंने कुछ भी select off किया है according to that, which are in part at least of financial character. All those 10 transactions I should be able to measure in terms of rupees, so financial character, and interpreting the result thereof. I have to interpret, I have to analyze that out of 10, 2 are only cash transaction, rest of the 8 transaction is of just credit. Credit यानी उधारी पे business किया है, that is not advisable for my provision store. So here I have completed the definition. You are going to make 2 notebook. Number 1 accountancy and number 2 is full scope of statistics, where you are going to write this definition 3 times and the meaning of accounting. And now let's see. Further, there are 2 types of accounting. Accounting के कितने types होते हैं? 2 types. Number 1 is देशीनामा system and number 2 is double accounting, यानी double entry system. We are going to study of 11th standard, 12th, and your platform on this career, and that is of double accounting system. That is dual accounting system. So now, accounting is useful to whom? Now, what is the question? Accounting is useful to whom? So, it is useful to whom? It's useful to me as a teacher. It's useful to you as students. It's useful to chartered accountant. Yes, it is useful to all the management. Wherever you will go to any company, any sole proprietorship, to owner of any business. Yes, management. Even a lariwala, that is hawkers, that vegetable seller, everyone, they need to record the transactions, so they need accounting. Next one is, it is useful to the government. Obviously, yes. Is it useful to the tax authorities? Yes, it is useful to those persons who are giving the loan or finance or the raw material to your business, that means creditors, the bank, the financial institutions. So the things which is around us, they all need accounting. So accounting is very much useful to all these parties because they are the stakeholders, they are interested party in our business. In this chapter and onwards in accounting, we are going to see that this is my business and I am the owner of it and I am going to run it successfully with the help of proper accounting. So here, I can say that the accounting is useful to all other parties. So at the end, I would like to say that accounting is very important, and in the next lecture we are going to see the objectives and terminology of accounting. Please do not miss it. This is the base of your account. Till that, stay home, stay safe and take care.